How to set up TP Link RE705X range extender via WPS. Step 1. Plug in the extender into a power outlet next to your Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power indicator to stop blinking. It takes about 1.5 minutes. After this, continue on your computer. Open Wi-Fi settings, open Wi-Fi network list, and find network which is named TP Link extender. Click on this network and click Connect. Once connected, open a web browser and in the search bar type in tplinkrepeater.net. Then hit Enter on your keyboard. It takes you to the web interface. First of all, create your device admin password. Confirm password in the next field and click Start. Select network you wish to extend. Enter your current Wi-Fi password. Click Next. Select 2.4 GHz network you wish to extend. Enter Wi-Fi password. Click Next. Check your information and click Confirm. Then click Next. Once you see this screen, you're all set and you can connect any device to your extended Wi-Fi network. To do this, open Wi-Fi settings, open network list, find your extended Wi-Fi network, click on that, click Connect, and enter the same Wi-Fi password as your main router's password. Finally, you can relocate your router. Plug it into a power outlet between your Wi-Fi router and Wi-Fi dead zone and make sure at least one of the indicators 2.4G or 5G is glowing solid blue. If both indicators are red, move your extender closer to your router. Thanks for watching.